Let's discuss life of the people in Saudi Arabia. Dear students, life of the people in Saudi Arabia is very difficult, as we have discussed just now that there is acute shortage of water over there. The rainfall is very less and sometimes there is no rainfall at all. Sometimes there is very little rainfall and sometimes there is no rainfall at all. Life in a desert is very difficult, as there is acute shortage of water in the desert region. The rainfall is very less and sometimes there is no rainfall at all, and the average rainfall is only 25 centimeters. The average rainfall is only 25 centimeters. That is not enough even to grow plants and trees and to grow crops also. The drinking water is also very less here. So people used to walk long distances for getting a pot of water for themselves. People used to walk 4 to 5 kilometers to get a pot of water for themselves. There is acute shortage of drinking water also, and shortage of water is also there for growing plants, crops and the trees. So life in the desert is very difficult. Now most of the people who are living here are nomads or Banjaras. Most of the people who are living here are nomads or Banjaras. These nomads are those people who used to wander from one place to another in search of pasture land for their animals. People who don't have permanent houses of their own, and they used to move from one place to another in search of pasture land for their animals, are called nomads or Banjaras. They don't have permanent houses. They are also known as Bedouins. They are also known as Bedouins. Right? These nomads or Banjaras are also called Bedouins. These people used to stay at one place for few days, and after some days they used to move to some another place in search of pasture land for their animals. Now what do you mean by pasture land? Pasture land means a land which is covered with green grass, where animals can feed. Right? What is a pasture land? Pasture land means a land which is covered with green grass where animals can feed. So these nomads or Banjaras are the people who used to wander from place to place in search of pasture land for their animals, and they used to stay at a place for few days, and after few days they used to move from that place to some other place with their belongings. So these are nomads or Banjaras. Now these people used to live in tents, as they don't have their permanent houses, so they used to live in tents that are made of camel's skin. That are made of camel's skin. They used to rear some animals like camels, sheep and goats. They used to rear these animals, as they use these animals to exchange with the things that they need in their daily life. They used to exchange their animals with the things that they need in their daily life. Now what are the things that they need in their daily life? They are the tea, food grains, medicines, coffee, etc. These are the things that they used to exchange with their animals. and this exchange of things is called barter system. This exchange of things is called barter system. The people used to rear the animals to exchange these animals with the things that they need in their daily life. Now what are those things that they need? They need food grains, they need wheat, they need medicines, they need tea, coffee, dates, etc. And they used to exchange these things with their animals, and this is called barter system. This exchange of things is called barter system. Now they used to move in groups on their camel's back. People who are Banjaras or nomads, you can say, when they move from one place to another, they used to move in groups on their camel's back, forming a row. They used to move in a row on their camel's back. They used to move together in a group on their camel's back in a row, which is called caravans. Which is called caravans. Right? What are caravans? Caravans are when people used to move from one place to another, forming a row on their camel's back is called caravans. So this is all about the life of the people in Saudi Arabia.